Welcome to Stretching Canvas with Art Licensing. Today, we're going to show you how to stretch a printed canvas. The materials we are going to use are a printed canvas, stretcher, a staple gun, a tape measure, a razor blade, sharp scissors, gloves with good grip with the first 3 fingers removed, a hammer, something to pry with, and a pair of pliers. First, take the stretcher and lay the canvas over. Determine where the edge of the image should meet the stretcher. Some edges are more defined. Start with one of those. Center the image. Be sure the edge of the image wraps over the edge of the stretcher bar by a few millimeters. You will continue this same overlap for all the sides. Once you're confident in your alignment, put 2 to 3 staples into the center of the stretcher bar. Tug the canvas outward and downward while keeping the relationship of the front edge to the stretcher consistent. Once you have good tension for the wrap, put 2 to 3 staples into the stretcher about ½ inch inward from the inside of the stretcher bar. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Lay the canvas on its face. Apply pressure downward from the top of the stretcher bar. Check the edge again before putting staples into the areas between your previous anchor points. Once the first side is done, flip the canvas and find the correct positioning of the image's opposite end. Align the center, make sure that the canvas has not skewed, and place your staples. With a sharp razor blade flush to the stretcher's outer edge, trim the canvas to the front corner of the stretcher. We'll trim the excess canvas flap, leaving about ½ inch of overhang. Repeat this on all 4 corners. Fold back each corner of your finished edges to keep them out of the way for the next few steps. Determine which of the remaining 2 sides of the canvas you will finish first, and tug gently, ensuring you have a smooth, taut wrap around the stretcher. Place 2 to 3 staples in the center, and continue as you did previously on the first side, ensuring that you maintain a consistent relationship between the image edge and the edge of the stretcher. On to the final side of the canvas. This is the point where you really stretch it. Check the face of your stretched canvas for overall tension and consistency. Now for the corners. Begin by tucking the leftover flap beneath the side that has been folded outward. Use your razor blade to assist in completing a nice, tight tuck. Pinch a 45-degree fold on the back corner. Whilst tugging the folded corner, put a staple into the stretcher to anchor it. Fold that and wrap the second corner to overlap the first. Tug the corner of the canvas and put in another staple. At this point, pull the overlapped corners upward and cut the excess with sharp scissors, making a smooth 45-degree cut. Finish the corner with 2 to 3 staples. You should now have a tight corner with a nice clean outer edge. Repeat these steps on all 4 corners of your canvas. If you find the need at any point to remove a staple, use your prying tool to pull the staple up. You can get the rest out with your pliers. To finish the back of your canvas, use your razor blade to puncture the canvas flush with the stretcher and trim the excess material. If you plan to use finishing tape to cover the staples, apply the tape before trimming the excess canvas to save time. Examine your completely stretched canvas for quality and consistency. Now, you can pour a drink, light a smoke, and congratulate yourself on a job well done.